Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the watch ready and opening the face gallery. Press firmly on the current face or open the watch app on your iPhone. Either method takes you straight to selection. Once done, swipe left to reveal the Add Plus option and tap it to start. You choose a base style, digital, analog, or modular, because that determines available complications and layout. Make sure to pick a face that supports the complications you need so customization is meaningful. Now customize. Tap Customize to change layers like color and complications. Use the digital crown to scroll through color palettes and dial styles because precise tuning helps legibility and style. Next, tap each complication slot to assign apps, like weather or activity, and select the data you want displayed. Once you preview each change on screen, switch between multiple complication sets if supported so you can have quick access to different info. Make sure to finish by pressing the digital crown to save your edits, then tap the new face to make it active. You're done. If complications show placeholders, open the companion app on your iPhone and grant permissions because many complication sources need access to health or location. Once saved, faces sync automatically, so make sure both devices are near each other. If something breaks, restart the watch, check for watch OS updates, and as a last resort repair. That usually clears stubborn sync or display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.